Welcome back to Car Updater, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting new entries in the pickup truck market, the 2025 Subaru Pickup Truck. If you're a fan of Subaru's rugged design, all-wheel drive excellence, and go-anywhere capability, you're going to love this. Stick around as we explore everything you need to know, including the pricing, features, and why this truck could shake up the industry. Exterior design and build quality. Let's start with the design. Subaru's first true venture into the pickup truck segment is nothing short of impressive. The 2025 Subaru Pickup Truck boasts a bold, rugged exterior that's both stylish and functional. The front grille is inspired by the Outback and Forester, with striking LED headlamps that give it a modern edge. It rides on 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, with the option to upgrade to 20-inch wheels for those looking to make a statement. Ground clearance is a solid 9.5 inches, making this truck perfect for off-road adventures. Engine and performance. Under the hood, Subaru offers two engine options. The base model features a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, delivering 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, there's an available 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, pushing out 320 horsepower and 300 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with Subaru's legendary Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive system, ensuring optimal traction in all conditions. And with a towing capacity of 6,500 pounds, it's ready to handle your camping gear, boats, or trailers with ease. Interior and technology. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's as comfortable as it is functional. The 2025 Subaru Pickup Truck seats up to 5 passengers with premium materials throughout. The higher trims come with leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Plus, Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology comes standard, giving you peace of mind with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Cargo and utility. The truck bed is designed with practicality in mind. Measuring 5.5 feet in length, it offers plenty of room for your tools, sports equipment, or weekend adventure gear. Subaru has also included tie-down hooks, a 120V power outlet, and an optional roll-up tonneau cover for added versatility. Price and trim levels. Now let's talk pricing. Subaru has made the 2025 pickup truck surprisingly competitive. The base model base trim starts at $38,995. The mid-range premium trim, with added features like heated seats and larger wheels, is priced at $43,995. And for those wanting it all, the fully loaded limited trim comes in at $49,995. The 2025 Subaru Pickup Truck combines Subaru's trademark reliability with the capability and versatility of a midsize truck. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just need a dependable truck for daily use, this could be the perfect choice for you. What do you think? Could Subaru's first pickup truck be the next big hit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updater for more exciting automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.